Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart, the law of attraction. Specifically, we're going to break down the 5 law of attraction mistakes you're probably making, and more importantly, how to fix them. Listen, whether you're new to the law of attraction or you've been practicing for a while, we all fall into these traps. We're human. But the good news is that by avoiding these common pitfalls, you can manifest more effectively and bring your goals to life faster and with more joy. So if you're ready to unlock your full manifestation potential, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first mistake that trips people up when it comes to the law of attraction is a lack of clarity in their intentions. It's like trying to order at a restaurant with a menu the size of a phone book and just saying, "Surprise me, you might get something good," or you might end up with something you absolutely hate. The universe needs a clear order from you. Think of it like this: your thoughts are the order, and the universe is the cosmic chef. If you want to manifest your dream life, you need to be specific about what you desire. Instead of saying, "I want to be happy," ask yourself what happy actually looks like to you. What does it feel like? Where are you? Who are you with? What are you doing? Get super detailed with your desires. Write them down in a journal, create a vision board with vivid images, or even record yourself speaking your intentions out loud. The more specific and clear you are, the easier it will be for the universe to deliver. Remember, the universe loves specifics. This one's a biggie, guys. The second mistake is focusing on what you don't want instead of what you do want. It's like trying to win a race while staring at the other runners instead of the finish line. The law of attraction responds to your energy and attention. When you constantly focus on your fears, doubts, and what you don't want to happen, you're actually sending out a signal to the universe to bring you more of that. Think about it. Have you ever noticed that when you worry about something, it seems to show up more often? That's the law of attraction in action, but not in the way you want it. The key here is to shift your focus to what you do want. Train your mind to look for the positive, to expect good things to happen, and to appreciate the good that's already in your life. Let's be honest, we've all been guilty of this one at some point. You know how it goes. You get super motivated, you start visualizing, you're feeling all those good vibes, and then life happens. You get busy, you forget, and your manifestation practice falls by the wayside. Here's the thing, consistency is key when it comes to the law of attraction. Think of it like watering a plant. You wouldn't just water it once and expect it to thrive, would you? You need to water it regularly, nurture it, and give it the right conditions to grow. The same goes for your dreams. Make the law of attraction a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. Even if it's just for 5 to 10 minutes each day, dedicate that time to connect with your intentions, visualize your desired outcomes, and cultivate feelings of gratitude. This mistake is a sneaky one. It's that little voice inside your head that tells you you're not good enough, you're not worthy, or you'll never achieve your dreams. Sound familiar? We all have that voice, but the key is to not let it run the show. Negative self-talk is like a virus that infects your energy and sabotages your manifestation efforts. When you believe those negative thoughts, you're essentially telling the universe, "See, I told you I wasn't good enough." The antidote to negative self-talk is positive affirmations. These are powerful statements that counteract those limiting beliefs and reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them daily, even if you don't fully believe them at first. The more you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more you'll start to believe them, and the more you'll attract positive experiences into your life. The final mistake is thinking that the law of attraction is all about sitting back, wishing, and hoping for the best. It's not magic, it's about aligning your actions with your desires. Think of it like this: the universe is constantly presenting you with opportunities, but it's up to you to take advantage of them. It's like hailing a taxi. You can't just stand on the sidewalk and expect one to magically appear. You need to raise your hand, make eye contact with the driver, and signal that you need a ride. The same goes for your dreams. You need to take inspired action towards your goals. This could mean learning new skills, networking with people in your field, or simply taking that first scary step outside of your comfort zone. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to start manifesting your dream life. Remember, the law of attraction is a powerful force, and by avoiding these common mistakes, you can harness its energy to create the life you truly desire. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and inspiration on manifesting your dreams. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. See you in the next video.